Jeg hedder Christoffer, og jeg vil prøve at gå til audition som Khashoggi til We Will Rock You, så vil jeg se, hvordan det går. Men starter lige backing track, og så kører jeg ellers bare på. Fear me, your lords and lady preachers, I descend upon your earth from the skies. I command every soldier unbelievers, break before me what is mine, the seven seas of Roy. Hear me, your peers and privy councillors, I stand before you naked to the eyes. I will destroy any man who dares abuse my trust, and I swear that you'll be mine, the seven seas of Roy. Sisters, I live a life for you, mister. Do and I'll die. You are mine, I possess you, belong to you forever. Ja, det var mit forsøg på det.